The strange mystery of the Egyptian helicopter carved into the tomb of Seti I. When this odd hieroglyph was first discovered, it clearly depicts a helicopter. Possibly a speedboat, and even a retro-looking rocket. But the true story of the Egyptian helicopter hieroglyph is even better. It's actually two messages carved on top of each other. The original hieroglyphic message is actually a bit of a mystery and says, "He who repulses the nine being the 9 enemies of very, very ancient Egypt." Time passed, and rather than replacing a blank piece of limestone, the new pharaoh, Ramesses II, ordered that the old hieroglyphs be covered up with plaster and recarved to say, "He who protects Egypt and repels its enemies." A similar message, but in the Ramesses II era, a much more politically correct statement. And most of the hieroglyphs were the same. And here's a fantastic word for you. Palimpsest. A palimpsest is a text on top of another. Vellum and limestone are precious, so if you can scrape it off a bit and reuse it to write your new message, all the better. But sometimes you can still read the old message through the new one. And over the ravages of time, that's what revealed the so-called helicopter. As the two messages decayed and the plaster dropped off, it seemed to reveal a much more modern symbol. But in fact, it's a palimpsest. Two messages on top of each other, forming something new in our minds. And that's something that you and I both suffer from. Pareidolia. And that's a mystery from history, because the truth is out there.